And you're Sarah. So guys, today we're going to be unboxing this Zing Go-Go Bird Classic.
And the non-story blue jays.
Yes, I like birds and I'm also getting into the hobby of RC flying. So, and this is why I asked Mommy and Daddy for this.
Wait, Daddy, did you buy it for me? Yeah? Just making sure.
So guys, on the box it says it's inspired by nature, lightweight design, safe for indoor and outdoor play, race your friends and perform aerial tricks, and rechargeable lithium battery. On the back of the box, and also on the front of the box too, it says that you can control it from 200 feet away or 60 yards. So that is a long distance. And also it includes the Go-Go Bird, the remote controller, and the USB charger. So guys, let's open it. Oh, and that's also for ages 8 and up, so maybe if I'm watching, Sarah could use it too. So let's open it. Oh, we have the box open. And here is the...
Here's the Go-Go Bird. Wait, you forgot the burger. Oh, look.
Here's the charger. And the final thing inside of the box is
the Go-Go Bird.
Yes. Well, let's take it out.
Oh, wait,
so this is the Go-Go Bird.
Can it go up?
Well, we have to charge it first. So the charging time on this is, let's see.
Wait, what had one of these but it's stiff?
Kind of.
Like this.
So it's rechargeable, 20 minutes. It looks like the lithium battery is inside of the bird, so you won't really have to worry about the battery getting lost. And let's see what else. And you also get, oh wait, no, 20 minutes charge and then 10 minutes of flight time. So that's actually pretty long.
Here's the instructions.
I just noticed that the beak is made of rubber. Kind of made of a rubber. It has a rubbery beak, so I guess that absorbs the impact. I also really like the blue design. It's actually really small, so it looks like it's going to be easy to fly too. Okay, on the remote, this is a really simple remote. We have faster, I think, slower, left and right. Yeah, that's what it says on here. And let's see. Okay, we also have the trigger on the front of the remote. So if we press that, the bird is gonna start flapping. Well, that is if it's on. It's turned on. Okay, and it also needs, what kind of battery do we need? Okay, AAA batteries. So it's powered by AAA batteries. Okay.
What?
The remote. Okay. First, I'm gonna check how many AAA batteries it needs.
It looks like it needs.
What is it? Two AAA batteries. So I need 2 of the batteries, and we'll put them inside of the remote. The on and off button is down here. Now we just need to find a screwdriver small enough to fit the screw.
Lucky bird.
So the remote's plugged in, and there's an on and off button down here. Oh! Okay, that's the trigger. Wait, let it go. row.
Wait, can I try here?
Okay. I guess we need to fly it outside. Go. Oh, it's flying and into the Christmas tree too. Okay. Turn that off.
Christmas.
Okay, so maybe we're gonna try again outside because...
But it's raining, so we're gonna do it later.
Yeah, we're gonna try it again later. And this is really fun. So this bird is actually really fun. So guys, we're gonna try it again later and when it stops raining. Let's turn it on. Okay, so now it's flying. Did you see us fly the plane? So as you saw, we had to turn it off when it reached the neighbors, but that also means it has really far range.
Yeah, but it's windy.
Yes, it's kind of windy.
But we're gonna wait until the summer, I think.
Yes, it's really easy to fly. And it's also very, very cold.
That's because I had my hat. My coat.
So guys, if you like this bird, please click the like and subscribe button down below. And also, we might be putting the link in the description too.
Yep.
We bought it on Amazon.
Amazon Prime unboxing.
Okay, so we bought it on Amazon. And yeah, this is a really good set. And I hope you like it too. Thank you for watching. Bye.